Welcome to my YouTube channel J Design Solution. Today we'll learn how to assemble robot gripper of wedge mechanism. Using a wedge mechanism, you can work as a gripper. First of all, close it. There is no display. Set working directory. New assembly, robot, gripper. Okay, select a template. Okay, plan on, call first part main body. Okay, and set as a default. Okay, now creating second parts, wedge part 1. Open and assemble. This part is sliding at this place, so using a slider, select a slider mechanism, placement, define axis element, this axis and also this axis, and rotation of for this, select this plane and this plane, and translation motions, select this plane to this plane 0. Now -20 mm, -20 mm, side 0, enable minimum limits 0, maximum limit 20 mm. Reason value 20. Create a OK. Now you can drag it this portion 20 mm. You can change it, select, edit definitions, translation motions, current will be 30, region value, maximum limit 30, 0, -10, -10, reset 0 and minimum 0, 30 region value. Hit OK. Now gripper parts. These fields and this face, distance 0, otherwise coincident. This plane and this plane will be coincident, and select this face and front be 0. OK, and disable and drag and check it. Mechanism are properly work. Now second part, wedge part 1. Select a slider, this edge and this edge, this face, and this face. Translation motions. Current 0, minimum 0, maximum 30. Input current value 30, okay. Enable region value 0, okay. You can check it. Control Z for region value. Grip, this face and this face, coincident, and coincident, and third one new connection, this face and zero. Edit definition, remove this plane and select this plane. Distance will be 0, okay. Control G and now new parts, wedge part 2. Placement, select slider mechanism, this edge, and this edge. Rotation will be front plane and front plane. New connection, also slider connection, this edge and select this edge. Rotation, center plane, okay, okay. You can check and drag it. One direction. For this part, open this part, create a axis, select this plane and this plane, okay. Save, close. Edit definition, one more slider connection are add. New slider, select this axis to this axis. Rotation, this plane to center plane, okay. Now drag this component up and down and check it. Now last one part is sliding part, slider bar, so slider and to axis for rotation, new, reset, axis and distance 0. Now you can drag it and check it. Push the rod, open the gripper and swag. So now this work lies a gripper using a wedge mechanical. Thank you for watching my video and like and share it.